In today's video, I will show you how to generate a sitemap.xml file. In the previous video, we discussed what a sitemap is, the types of sitemaps, sitemap.xml, and what sitemap.html is. And in today's video, we are going to understand sitemap.xml practically. If you want more information about sitemaps, you can watch the previous video. You will get a whole playlist link in the description box. So let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we are going to talk about sitemap.xml. In the last video, I told you how you can see the sitemap of any website. Okay, alright, let's see it again. I will use the famous website SEMrush. All of you know that SEMrush is a very famous website for keyword research. And after the URL, just and write /sitemap.xml like this. Complete URL you have to type. Hit enter and the file XML file of any website will be opened for us. Here you can see all of above. There is home web page attached, and after that features, solutions, careers and blogs web pages, contact us, or you can see apps web pages are here attached. So this is the way to see the XML file of any website. Now I am going to tell you how to generate a sitemap normally, and apart from that I am going to tell you a way to submit sitemaps into cPanel. Another easy way to submit sitemap is through Google Search Console. We will watch that in our upcoming videos. There are 4 ways to generate your sitemap. We will see all of them one by one. First one is through a website. Second one is through WordPress. Third one is through the Yoast SEO plugin, and the fourth one is through Google Search Console. So let's get into it. Simply go to your website. After typing the complete URL of your website, just enter /sitemap.xml and you can see the XML sitemap file is here, and this is created by Yoast SEO. How we will create this by Yoast SEO? Just go to the Yoast SEO plugin settings, and if you scroll down the page, you will find the option of XML sitemaps. This option is already enabled by Yoast SEO. You don't have to enable it. And if you off this save changes option, if you off this option and save changes and refresh the page will not found for us. Just go to your website again and write /sitemap.xml, and you can see the XML sitemap is also available here too. This means that this XML sitemap is created by WordPress itself. And there is a little bit different. You can see that at the front of every sitemap there is nothing, but if we create a sitemap with Yoast SEO, there will be an option. Enable it, save changes, refresh the page, and there is an option of last modified, which means that this sitemap is just not only created by the Yoast SEO but also uploaded. Just one sitemap will be created just one time. You will not have to create every word page website differently. And just the third method is just go to a website. If you type XML sitemap or sitemap generator, the same website will open for you. Write the full URL of your website. Just go to start, and it will take 1 minute if your website is not big, but if your website is big, then it will take little bit above 1 minute. And you can see my 13 pages are scanned, 13 pages are added, and 0 are in queue. There could be a scenario that 13 pages are scanned but 10 pages are added. What does that mean? It means that we ourselves restricted the 3 pages to be added in our sitemap, to be crawled or to be ranked on Google It could be by any security reason or confidential material of our audience, right? Just go to view the details of your sitemap. Here you will find all the details like URL, last modified, priority. You can see home pages at the above at number 1. After that, categories, about us, blog pages like this. Just download the sitemap, open the folder, and you can see the sitemap is downloaded in your folder, downloads or any folder. Now, how we will upload it in a cPanel? Just go to your hosting web dashboard. I'm using Hostinger. Just go to business and manage business dashboard and manage and file manager. And here you will find the option of public.html. Just double click on it, upload, file, click on file now. Just click on sitemap, double click, and the file will be uploaded for you. Here is the result. You can see that the file is uploaded, sitemap.xml, and just few minutes ago. You can see, right? If you want to delete this sitemap and want to generate a new one, you can simply delete it by just clicking right click and delete it. So this is the way to upload your sitemap in your cPanel. Next method is you can generate your sitemap through Google Search Console. Just type the Google Search Console. This is the website, Google Search Console tools. Start now. Here you will find two options, domain and URL. Just leave the domain, don't do anything with the domain, just paste your URL prefix. The way how to write the URL is here with HTTP and with www. Copy the URL of my website organicallymarketing.com, paste it here, continue, and it will take just seconds or 1 minute. The code is generated for us. How to upload it? The method is here. Just click on it, HTML tag, and you can see, copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should be in the head section before the first body section, and after that verify it. Copy the just copy this and go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, theme, file editor, and a message will pop up that if you make some changes by yourself and if you are not an expert, then your website could be broken, could be with broken links. Some links could be broken in it. So I will suggest you stay away from it. Just go with the help of your developer to add this, or there is a simplest way that install the Yoast SEO plugin and your sitemap will be generated by Yoast SEO, or your sitemap will be just created by WP or WordPress. If you are not satisfied, then just go to Yoast SEO plugin for the help. Right? This is the way to generate your sitemap. In our next video, we will understand how to submit this sitemap, generate this generated sitemap in our Google Search Console account. Right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Organically Marketing. Thanks for watching.